What happened?
Grr! I'll make you pay for what you did.
No, you're not.
Try me.
Oh no! What? Are we back at the campsite? Yep, I think we are. But we were so close to defeating the slug snail. Oh well, it doesn't matter. What do you mean, oh well? We were so close to defeating the slug snail. Doesn't matter. This is actually quite nice. Don't you want to go back to the real world and live your life? Not really. I have to worry about things like work, taxes, and the police. It's actually quite nice to live like this. You don't have to worry about things. You have no responsibilities either. I actually agree with the turkey here. I don't have to worry about exams.
And I don't have to worry about the government hunting me down.
Wait, what? Anyways, you get my point. Whatever.
Who should I summon to mess with them? Yes, this one's perfect.
Hey there.
Wait, what is that?
I am Chad your chick.